Hello and welcome. As you may recall, not this past Christmas, because we did 3 advent calendars, but the Christmas before, we did the LUSH advent calendar. And you bought the box and it looked like this, and it has this drawer, and then it has the top that opens up. Well, I saw a video on maybe YouTube or TikTok, and they had gone shopping and they'd bought an old silverware chest, the wooden chest that you keep silverware in, and they'd taken out some of the hardware and they made it and refinished it into a beautiful box. And I was thinking, I love clean shoes. I love polished clean shoes. So I thought I should go and hunt for a silverware chest, and then I could use it to put all my shoe polishing things in. Well, today I was preparing and doing some tidy up upstairs, and I thought that it would be a great idea to repurpose this box for, you got it, all my shoe polishing things. So there's a lot of fluff in here. Thank goodness that Tuesday is garbage day. But you can see all the different containers here. Now, if that doesn't suit me, I can take them all out. But what I do have to go in here is Kiwi shoe buffing cloth for leather shoes, the shine cloth. And I've got polish applicators. I bought a few of them because when you see them, you see them. These are beautiful too. This is beautiful horsehair brushes, so I've got those. So I've got a ton of things that are going to go into this box and make it my shoe polishing box. And I bought some polish here. I've got some nice sapphire dark brown polish. I've got this from years ago, a leather balm that you can use. And just so happens I have more brushes. So I've got lots of shoe polishes here. I've got more sapphire. I've got a renovator for leather. So I've got all sorts of fun stuff that I can use here to polish my shoes. Tomorrow's family day. Maybe I could convince my husband to have a party with me and at the kitchen table, and we'll polish shoes. I don't think so. He doesn't like it. Not like I like it. So, lots of beautiful products. We've got different kits here. So, it's always good to go through your polishing, but make sure it's accessible for you. Clean shoes are important. I highly recommend you keep everything nice, organized, clean, and tidy. Clean shoes say a lot about who you are. So here it is. It's the final assembly. All the brushes are here, and I'm just going to tip the box to show you. Brushes are here, some overflow polishes, soft brushes to clean the shoes with before you start, a shining brush, all the horsehair polish applicator brushes. They're nice. Nice big shine cloth. So that's really nice and handy. And then I've got this box with some of the polishes and things that I need. Some leather restorers, healthy balm for the leather. So just everything I need in one fabulous box. It's got nice little handles on it. I love it. I'll show you a pair of polished shoes soon.